Hi there, Curtis Watson here, coming to you with a quick market update from July of 2025, Jackson County. Um, New listings added in July, 216. So 216 additional homes listed for sale on the market. That number is down from last year by about 10%. So we'll keep an eye on that. We actually closed less um, residential real estate last month compared to the year before as well. We had 156 closed sales. That's down about 10% as well. Um, Homes are staying on the market before they get an offer by like 28 days. That's the average right now. That's up a little bit. So we're kind of seeing a trend here. Less houses hitting the market, less houses closing, and more days on market. So it kind of all points to things have slowed down a little bit. And this is a trend we've been seeing. It's not new, at least for the past year or two. Um, there are some good pieces that are interesting though too. The average sale price in Jackson County for the month, 303. 303,000, which means it's up about 10% compared to last year. That doesn't mean everybody's home values are 10% higher. What it means is, as things sell on both ends of the spectrum, we do create an average, and any growth in that is pretty decent right now, considering the market has slowed a little bit. Um, and then, kind of some interesting news for buyers because of some things kind of slowing down a little. The average, no, the number of homes for sale in July was 435. So at any given point, or at one point, I should say, if you're looking for a home as a buyer, you had 435 single family residences to choose from in the county, and that's up big. That's probably the biggest change from year to year. So in July of last year, it was quite a bit less, and we're up about 36% there. So all of this is really interesting. I think when you have things sitting on the market a little bit longer, but you have less new listings, I think what we're seeing is things that were listed in May or June, homes that were on the market in May or June, some of them are still on the market. And I think we're probably going to see, unless rates change dramatically, we're probably going to see that days on market continue to tick up, especially as we go into the fall and winter months when things traditionally slow down anyway. So that's a quick update. I think what I would take away from this is the balance from a buyer's market to a seller's market. It continues to get more in the middle. In the past few years, it has been quite the seller's market. It's not quite 100% a buyer's market. It's a little more balanced right now. So stay tuned for more information, more updates, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks.